In today's video, we will discuss how to take a U-turn at a signal. We have already discussed this in one of our previous videos. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link here. To take a U-turn, we need to change lane. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and follow their instructions. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Here, this lane is for going straight, and this lane is for both left turn and U-turn. Here, you can see the U-turn signboard. You can use this lane to make either a left turn or a U-turn. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.